Hi there, I'm Dr. Bree, and today we're going to be talking about sitting for long periods in a way that's healthy for your pelvic floor. I am absolutely passionate about helping you have the best pelvic health possible, so if you like this kind of video, then please subscribe to this channel and give this video a like. All right, so to get started, the first thing I want you to know is two things to avoid when you're sitting for long periods. The first thing is you want to avoid crossing your legs or your ankles for long periods of time because that will disrupt blood flow and circulation to your whole body and your pelvic area. So don't sit for long periods with your legs crossed or your ankles crossed. You want to move around to keep the blood flowing. You also want to avoid tucking your bum under like this, kind of slouching in your chair. That's not good for your back and it's not good for your pelvic floor. So one little tip before we get to some exercises and movements is you can grab a towel, just a small little hand towel, fold it up. You don't want anything too big and puffy, something pretty small. And you want to put it way down low at the bottom of your chair, your seat. Now, the information I'm going to share with you is great for airplanes, cars, long car rides, even like at the office or at school. This little trick may not be possible in certain types of chairs, but in a car chair or an airplane chair, you can do this. So the towel way down low, not behind your lumbar spine, but actually behind your sacrum, the back of your pelvis. So let's place it right there, sitting up against that. And what that does is it tilts your pelvis so that you're in a nice upright position at your pelvis. It doesn't allow you to slouch under like this. Now adjust your seat if you can so that it's supporting your back a little bit better than this one is, but just do your best to be upright and not slouched. So let's get to some exercises that you can do. So the first one is we're going to begin by activating our core. I call this zipping up. So think about gently doing a Kegel. So like you're picking up a blueberry with your pelvic floor muscles. So you can think about your vagina or you can think about your anus, gently picking up a blueberry. Super weird, I know, but it really helps you activate the correct muscles on the inside, your pelvic floor. And then think about gently drawing in your low abs. So zipping up your core. Now from here, keep that nice zipped up position. Lift your leg up and then set it down and relax. See how it really helped you to have that zipped up, activated feeling to lift up your leg. You can feel it all throughout your whole core. So relax. Now, let's keep the core zipped up. So hold that nice activated position and we're going to just lift up one leg at a time, marching and breathing. Breathing steadily. And this, you can see how it just relieves pressure on the back of the thigh and it's activating your core. You're nice and lifted and strong through your trunk. You're not slouched. So keep going, zipped up and strong. Keep breathing, nice and strong through here. One more on each side and then relax, let it go, shake it out. Now, another thing you can do is just lift your heels up off the floor. So just heel lifts. Toes are on the ground, you're just lifting your heels. Simple ways to move your legs, move your body to keep the blood flowing and prevent stagnation in your vessels, your blood vessels. All right, the next thing you can do is a really nice stretch. So this is a little awkward if you're in like a tight airplane seat, but you can bring one leg on top of the other and just do a little figure 4 stretch. This is so nice for your hips. And you can hold this stretch, gently pressing down into your inner thigh of the leg that's crossed. So for here, it's my right ankle above my left knee on my thigh, and I'm just gently pressing into this bent leg to feel that nice hip stretch. Okay, let's do the other side. So switching legs, you're gonna try not to bother your neighbor on the airplane, but this totally works in the car. I've done it. Gently pressing into that bent knee, feeling it in your hip, breathing. It feels so good. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is a little bit of inner thigh activation and also pelvic floor activation. If you have like a water bottle, this is great between your thighs, just above your knees. So place the water bottle there. If you don't have a water bottle, you can use your fist. But place something between your knees and you are going to gently squeeze against the water bottle and feel your inner thighs activate and also feel your pelvic floor muscles light up, like they're squeezing and lifting, kind of like a Kegel. So you're squeezing, lifting the pelvic floor, everything is turned on through the center, and then relax. And you can do that as many times as you want. The next thing we're gonna do is a twist. So sit up nice and tall, inhale, and then exhale. You can do this absolutely in an airplane, in a car, just grabbing on to your opposite outer knee and then looking over your shoulder, and then look forward and relax. Inhale nice and tall, exhale, twist the other way. And then look forward and relax. Then bust circles are one of my favorite. This one feels so good. Just hold on around your knees. And this is a great way to just move and groove the upper torso, which can get really, really stiff when you're sitting for long periods of time. It's like you're circling your heart above your pelvis. Just make sure you go an equal number of times each direction. So to slow it down, you go forward, side, back, side, forward, side, back, side, and then smooth it out. And again, you just be sure to do an equal number of times both directions. That's also good because it moves you around your pelvic area. Like you can feel the massage, if you will, on your pelvic floor, your pelvic area. It feels good. So enjoy. And that's it. Let me give you one more tip though before we go. If you want another way to sit for long periods of time, I'm gonna grab a bigger towel. Okay, you can grab a bigger type of towel, like more of a bath towel, and roll it up. You're gonna have to play with a towel size that feels best for you. But if you have it almost like a horseshoe shape or a U shape, you can sit on that. Make it look nicer than this does. But you can sit on that, and it provides a little bit of space right there. If you have any pain in your genitals or your perineum, then it can be nice to have that space right there, but a little support underneath the back of your pelvis. And I'll show you how it looks to sit on it. So you sit way back on it, and if you can then adjust your seat so it's more upright, this can feel really nice. Just sort of a supportive, almost like a wedge for you to sit on, where it's a little higher in the back, and it just gives you some support underneath your thighs and the back of your pelvis. And then if you pull the chair so it's more upright, then it allows you to feel just a nice space if you have any pain in your genitals or in your perineum area. This can be a really nice option as well. So give it a try. Remember, don't cross your legs for long periods. Don't cross your ankles for long periods. Support yourself with padding, with a wedge, with something behind your sacrum, and move your body. Exercises, twists, leg lifts, activating your core, relaxing your core. Anything you can do to move is really helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this, again, please give this video a like, share it with a friend, and until next time, remember, eat clean, move every day, and you will shine brighter. For more ways to work with me, definitely check the video notes, and I will see you next time. Bye.